Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have an unboxing of two new planes that just arrived today. One of them is really rare, another one is just one I needed for Denver. But yeah, let's just get straight into it and save the information for the end of the video. But if you do enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button. And if you would consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell, it really helps support me and helps support the channel. Also, I'd like to thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. That really does mean a lot more than you think. And I'm very happy and I'm very thankful for each and every one of you. But with all that aside, let's get straight into the unboxing. We'll start off with this one because this one's more interesting, I guess you could say, than the other one. So I'll just take this one and put it down here for just, for just a minute here. And we'll start off with this one. I think you open it like, okay. I remember trying to get this box out the first time was,
a few moments later.
Alright, finally we got it open. So here's the thing. I believe this is by Amazon. I wasn't sure. And as you can see, that is the plane right there with all the packing peanut crap inside. Alright, here is the plane. As many of you know, I said that I needed a Philippine Airlines A330 for Honolulu. So I decided to go ahead and pick it up. As you can see right here, we got it, obviously.
I am the way your son don't need a...
So yeah, let's just unbox it, I guess. Hold on. You know what? I hate tearing boxes, but Gemini Jet's boxes are awful, so. Oh yeah, let's actually do the box art really quick. So here we have the Gemini Jet's logo, made for collectors by collectors. 3D printed plane on the front. And the Philippine Airlines logo, A330-300, 1/400 scale die-cast aircraft. You can pause the video to read this stuff. Alright, and then right here it says Gemini Jets 1/400 scale die-cast model. Gemini Jets. That is just the stuff. And then there's that. And then that side. Alright, so now let's open it. I pray it is not damaged. It's been a while since I've gotten a broken plane, that's why I'm skeptical. Alright, here we go. Let me get this out of the way, actually. Then it comes with the little plastic sheet on top, and then the aircraft is just laying right there in the box. So let's take it out here. Okay, it's not broken. And we will do a full look at it here. So we'll start off at the front here. Oh, that's too far. I forgot I have a crappy camera. Kidding. Alright, starting off here. Do I have like a little pointer? Yeah, I do. Okay. So right here we have the cockpit windows and the L1 boarding door with the Philippine Airlines logo up here. An antenna right here. A few more windows and the L2 boarding doors right here. And then there's a cargo door down here and landing gear right here. Let's scoot the plane here a little bit. Let me actually zoom out a little. Okay, wait, yeah. Alright, next we have a few more windows right here. This would be the, Economy Plus would be right here and Economy would be back here. And then we have the all white engines, pretty much Euro white to be honest. And then the winglet right here. Let me try to get a better view of that winglet. Okay, hold on. Alright, as you can see there, it has the white on the top with the little like sunrise sorta type of thing. Alright, so back to the center here. And then we have the two wings right here, obviously. And we have the another door right here with another antenna on top. With a little more windows, this would also be economy. And down here we have a cargo door. Let's scoot it up a little bit more. I do not want to roll the wheels because they do not roll on this model. That is worth noting. On the back, this literally defines it as not Euro white, pretty much. If it was a completely white tail, it'd be a completely white Europlane. But here we have the white part of the tail, and some red right here, and then some dark blue with a sunrise on it. I really do like that type or that part of the model. So yeah, let's get a complete overview of it. I'll put it right here, and then we'll just zoom it in. So yeah, that is the Philippines Airbus A330. Alright, next we'll be starting off with the next model. I will give you a little hint. I already did have this model, but I decided to get another one because it is essential for Denver. So yeah, let's unbox it. Try not to cut myself. And then you gotta do like the little one right here. And then right there. Alright, now let me just put this back so I don't stab myself. So yeah, let's open up here. I do apologize. I am a little sick, but that's okay. Alright. Sorry about that. Here is the next model. I believe I have, okay, so I had this model before, but I don't think I actually did an unboxing of it. So here's the actual full unboxing of this aircraft, the United E175 in the new livery. Sorry about that. Here we have the Gemini Jets logo at the top, then the computer generated model right here in the middle of the box, then the Embraer E175 right here with the United logo, then 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft. And then right here, oops, sorry, you can pause to read the facts about this airplane if you would like to. And at the top it also gives information about the E175 family. Alright, so here on the side we have Gemini Jets, 1/400 scale die-cast model, Gemini Jets with a computer generated model, Gemini Jets logo with the adult collectible model, like the warning that you're supposed to be 14 and older to have one of these, which is a bunch of baloney because no one listens to that. And then right here we have the computer generated model with the Embraer Erj-175 right here. And then back to the front of the box. So let's open this. And you can just pull that up. This is brand new as well, obviously, because it just came out not too long ago. About a month ago, 2 months ago. Alright, now let's angle this down a bit. Let's see. It's kind of hard to get. Oh. Well, looks like I got that open. Probably broke it though. And then once again it comes just right here with a little plastic sheet on top, which you just take off, whatever, and then there is the aircraft right there. And it's not broken. Praise the Lord. Alright, let's get straight into the aircraft itself. I'm not going to do 2 shots for this, like where I do half and then half, because it's fairly small. So, alright, so starting off here at the front, we have the cockpit windows, then the L1 boarding door with the landing gear down there. and then the blue United, and then the gray Express part with the blue engines as well as the blue winglets right here. Then we have a few more windows down. Then we have the back, the exit, I guess you could say, because this aircraft has 4 exits on it. I believe this is the biggest aircraft. No, the E190 is the biggest aircraft with 4 exits, I believe. And then we get on to the beautiful tail. I unfortunately cannot read the registration. I do apologize about that. But here we have the blue globe logo right here. As most of you probably know, this is the new United Express logo, or the new United Express colors. They went from the gold one to the blue, which I think the blue looks way better because they're not copying Continental anymore, so it's kind of like their own brand, I guess. Then you, the further you go up, the more you see the tint at the top of the tail. Then we have the 2 horizontal stabilizers in the back. Let's look at the bottom of the aircraft here. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. There's the bottom. Gemini Jets does do a lot of detail here at the bottom. So yeah, they definitely did a good job with this model. Let's get the other one in here really quick. The only reason I grouped these 2 unboxings together was because they're both Gemini Jets, so I figured it was necessary. Because the next video you will see will be the May releases for NG models. And then the next one you'll see will be the June ones, because I have both of those. I actually have the June ones with me. I just have to wait for the right time to do the unboxing. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this. I'm sorry if I was sniffling a lot, but I do apologize for that. That was because I am sick. But anyway, so we have these 2 gorgeous planes here. This will be used for Honolulu, which is coming. I'll be talking about that at the very end, so stay tuned for that. And then United Express E175 will be used for H&L. Alright, so now on to the news for Honolulu. I have been gone the last few days. That's why I wasn't able to do an airport update last Friday, and I do apologize for that. I'll make up to you guys for that. I did the Gemini Jets releases video instead because I was able to do that because I had my computer with me on vacation. But I do apologize that there wasn't an airport update. But Honolulu, it is coming. The runway is finished. I just have to do like a little tiny touches to it, and I believe we are on track to have the first airport update of Honolulu to be this coming Friday, so in 3 days for you guys. However, I do have to move it from all the way downstairs all the way up to my room, so if I can't do that by myself. So basically I'm going to need my dad help for that. But he does work a lot. He's a doctor, so if he's not home all the time, then I won't be able to pick it up and move it up here by myself. But I will try my hardest to get that airport update out to you guys this Friday. If not, it'll definitely be next Friday, but I'm pretty sure we'll be able to make it this Friday. For the Gemini Jets releases, I will be ordering the American 787-8 for Honolulu as well. And yeah, that's pretty much all the news. So if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like on the video. That really helps me out. And also, if you made it all the way to the end, I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel. And yeah, once again, thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. That means the world to me. You guys don't even know. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And if you aren't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss future uploads and more unboxings like this and airport updates. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.